Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 25-0087-WH-IB. This is the classic common 25-0087. Sometimes people will call up and say that theirs has a stamp on the inside that is HE87. This one does not, but countless do. And that is the exterior escutcheon. Now, it doesn't mean an HE87 directly translates to this exact part number, but it's very close. So an a 25-0087 is an exterior plastic escutcheon piece for your 4430 series sliding door locks. The WH in the part number obviously means white. When you dump the WH, you're going to have just the common black finish, which is far more common, but white is not unheard of as well. The IB in the part number simply means individually boxed. Not really that critical. Let me give you some dimensional properties that will help you determine if this is correct. An overall height of the escutcheon itself is about 8 7/8. An overall width of the item, about 1 1/4 inches. And kind of gauge the thickness of the piece. Up at the top, it's about 5/16. The total projection of the top post for the screw is about 11/16. The body itself is about 1/2 inch. This will accept a total of 2 screws through the unit from the inside trim. The 25-0087 is only the exterior. We'll get to the inside in a moment. Screw location here and here. This post here doesn't apply to a 25-0087, which is no cylinder. If this was a model that had an exterior cylinder, it would go here, and the hole here would be for a screw that would hold the cylinder on the back of the unit. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Template, and that shows you the exploded parts diagram for a common 4430 or 4431 or 4432 series as well. Lock set, sliding door lock set. Now, when you study that document, it really is the most important document to view because it shows you all of the part numbers for your lock. Some clients will call and say, you know what, just give me a whole new lock. Well, it's like changing 4 tires when you get a nail in one. You can if you want. I personally don't see the point. The exterior escutcheon, meaning this: replace only the pieces that need to be replaced. Generally, that MS 1849 lock, that thing doesn't stop working, is the bottom line. The escutcheon pieces will tend to crack because they will literally sit in the sun for years. The chemical properties of a piece of plastic like this fatigue with exposure to ultraviolet sunlight, and they do crack, they get damaged. So you'll see the 25-0087, and then below it says or 4431. That's the keyed version. Then this part number becomes a 41-0405-01 or 00, and then you can get the white or the black version. The interior part, we talked about that earlier. Look to the right hand side where it will say interior escutcheon operator part number 41-0397-XX. That's not a part number on its own. The XX refers to the thickness of the door. There's 3 primary thicknesses for this material. You have to know the thickness of the door to derive the last part number that's there, which is going to be, let's take a look. Okay, 41-0397. You're going to have a -01, a -02, or an 06, which will give you the breakdown of thicknesses for that material. So there's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, which will show you on page 2 really how to determine the thickness of the item that you need. The problem is there's not a correlation between the part numbers, unfortunately. So if your door, although you can kind of determine what it, I'll tell you right now how to determine it. If your door is between 1 and 1 5/16 thick, your part number will be 41-0397-01. If it's inch and 3/8 to inch and 5/8, it'll be a -02. And then if it's inch and 3/4 to 2 inch, it'll be a -06. So type in 41-0397. You'll then get to all of the different parts, select the color, and for the door thickness that you'll need for the interior part. But this video is for the exterior piece only. Now back to the parts, or what's called template, that will also give you the other potential pieces that you might need, such as the screws, or such as the cylinder, or the lock body, etc. The template is not very clear-cut for the common layperson to know exactly what they need. So just call us. We'll be happy to help you determine exactly what is required so that you're not replacing pieces that don't need to be replaced. And if you find this on your boat, absolutely. Very commonly found on boats. Sliding doors, like on a lanai, on the back of a home with a screened-in pool area. Very common. You're going to see this on sliding doors. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full-line product catalog and the parts manual. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite 25-0087-WH-IB exterior white escutcheon, or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us.